Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using a $50 keratin treatment to straighten my natural hair. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. So I'm going to be using this kit by Nutree, and this is their Amazon list, the Real Brazilian Keratin Kit. So this is pretty easy to use. It comes in 3 steps. So my hair is obviously naturally curly. It has a lot of body to it. But I've been wanting the straight look for a while, so I'm going to go ahead and use this kit and get to it. So step 1 is their anti-residue shampoo, and I'm going to go ahead and shampoo and cleanse my hair, get any gunk and buildup that I may already have in my hair from styling throughout the week, because it's very necessary to have clean hair when doing this process. So I'm going to be using my scalp stimulating shampoo brush, and this will really get to my scalp, get any gunk and buildup out of my scalp, really massage my scalp, and it does an amazing job at stimulating my scalp. So once you're done with the lather, you're going to rinse all of that out and then start the blow drying process. So you're going to use the blow dryer to dry your hair to about 85% dry, and then section off your hair into 6 sections. Moving on to step 2, you're going to be using the Brazilian smoothing treatment, and I just take each section and apply a small amount of this treatment from the roots to the ends. Do not oversaturate. And I'm just taking my brush to smooth the product into my hair. After that's applied to your hair, then you can go ahead and take a blow dryer and blow dry each section on cool. And then after that, you can go ahead and flat iron your hair on a temperature of 380 to 460. I usually flat iron my hair on 400. So I flat iron my hair using the Croc flat iron, and I've been using this flat iron for years. I think I still have a coupon code for this flat iron in my description box, but it's an amazing flat iron. It gets the job done. And I also use the chase method. So that's basically just chasing the flat iron, chasing the brush with the flat iron. And that's been working well for me for years as well. So this is how my hair looks after it has been straightened. And then step 3 is the intensive repair mask. And this mask is great. I absolutely love this mask. I feel as if it definitely helped my hair not get any damage or anything like that. And after this, I basically don't have to use a flat iron on my hair when I want to straighten it. I can just blow dry it and it will be pretty straight. And this will last for a couple of months. But yes, I definitely like this treatment, and I definitely recommend it, especially if you want to wear your hair straight during the summer months, because that humidity and that hot weather will definitely get to your hair if you have natural hair like me. But yeah, that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!